doing? Hi, buddy. Yes, tell somebody you just want to be loved. Say, I just want to be loved. Look at my big whiskers. Show them your big whiskers. Yes. I don't know why I make the videos. Huh? Why do I make the videos, Fatty? Why, Fatty Penguin? Huh? He would so be a couch potato for somebody. Did I get it? Alright.